Electron Investigation 101, written and illustrated by Maya Adelgren, Level 5, ages 8 to 10 years old. I heard you wanted to be an electron detective, so welcome to your training. My name is Detective Quantum, and I'm here to guide you as you become the next best atom investigator. Electrons are subatomic particles that have a negative charge. Electrons are very small and move around the central nucleus of an atom. They can be very hard to find. To become an electron detective, you have to know what orbital an electron is in. And there's a lot of different orbitals where they can be hiding. Orbitals are spaces where electrons like to hide. If you are trying to find an electron, it's likely that you will find it in an orbital. Each orbital is like a different room inside of a building. The first thing you will need to find is the shell of the orbital. The shell is like the floor of a building. All of the rooms on a floor must be filled before electrons can go to the next floor. Each shell is a different size, and in an atom, the higher shells are bigger than the lower shells. Once you know what floor the electron is on, you can move to the next part of the orbital puzzle. You also need to know the shape of the orbital, which is like the shape of the room. Some rooms are bigger or have different shapes, just like an orbital. They can look like a sphere, a dumbbell, or other shapes as well. The next thing you need to find is the orientation of the orbital, or the design of a room. Even orbitals that have the same shape can be arranged in different ways, like a different layout of a room. There you have it. Now you know the 3 things that will help you find the orbital of an electron: the shell, the shape, and the orientation. But wait, now that you know the orbital of the electron, the best detectives can also find which way the electron is spinning. Each orbital can hold 2 electrons, and they spin in opposite directions. Electrons are difficult to locate. It's so hard that you can't know both where an electron is and how fast it's moving at the same time. Congratulations, you've finished your electron detective training. Good work, detective. Learning all about orbitals isn't easy. Now you're ready to get out there and find those electrons. The end.